How to install Live Server in Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up Visual Studio and go to the Extensions tab, and here you want to search for Live Server and then install the Live Server extensions. And once you finish the installation, you want to go back to your project workspace and then open up your HTML file. Now I've created this example HTML file. Now to go live, the first method is to click on the button here at the bottom right, which says go live. Click on it and wait for it to start the server, and this should open up a new web browser page. And as you can see right here, the page is live at this localhost IP address. And the second way to go live is to right click on your HTML file and then click on open with live server, and this should do the same. Or you can have your file selected and click up here and type open with live server like this. Open with live server with your file selected, and it should open up your file like that. And if you're having an issue where the go live option is not showing, you want to make sure that the live server is enabled from extension live server, and make sure the extension is set to enabled. And if you see enable here, just click on it to enable it. Otherwise, if it says disable, it means it's already enabled. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.